just caught a stingray here, and later we will cook this. We are going to clean this stingray.
I'm going to cut this side over here to take the guts out. They're slimy.
This is washed and cleaned stingray. Then we cut them into smaller pieces. We are going to cook a stingray stew. Here are some spices from our backyard.
Chinese ginger leaf, habanero, jalapeno, Thai ginger, garlic, lemongrass. The sauce here we prepared is homemade citrus cooking wine, salt, sugar, and soy sauce. And we mix them together and stew them.
How long are you going to cook?
20 minutes.
Okay, 20 minutes. Smells really good. Here's a stingray stew, ready to eat. Looks really delicious.